Okay, we're back. How's it going, Kaha? Hopefully your Thanksgiving was good. But let's continue on. Okay, and I did find some images to put on the side. Is it this one? Yeah. There we go. There we go. Or number 9. Yeah. So number 9, we had to go back to yeah, those are the images that I found. Oh, gotcha. Okay, so we're here. Oh, jeez. Okay, I think we could go up here, right? Hopefully there's no monsters here. Yeah, there's none. Okay, good. The thing is, can I do anything here? Oh yeah, we got... I don't know if I asked you this last time, but... Did we get more... How did I get more supply slots? I am a monster. What's up, Kaw? Yep. Yeah, it was a good holiday. Can't complain. Let me test it out really quick. Because when I went to the inventory or the storage box, I had 2 slots, or 2 like pages. Oh.
Regina, what's taking so long? We've got a job to finish.
We found Tom. He didn't make it.
That idiot.
How do things look over on your end?
I'm in the lab area. I know the doc's still hiding around here somewhere.
I can see an elevator from here. Maybe I can use that to go down from the first floor.
I don't think I can go in here, right? Yeah, I have to go back to... I'm gonna test it out, because I remember... Yeah, when I went to the storage place, oh my god, did I go the wrong way? I did. When I went to the storage... Yeah, it had a second page of inventory space. I want to check it out before I... Okay, great. I have to run past them every time now. Yeah, can I pick this up? Yes. Yeah. So I have a second page now. So I think the more of a type you unlock, the more storage slots you get. What do you mean? What do you mean type that I unlock? The more of a type you unlock, like what am I unlocking? Okay, you're stuck behind the thing, right? Yeah. That's fine. Okay, yeah, so nothing here. Although, okay, yeah, because I unlocked another storage thing. And then I don't think, yeah, nothing, no reason to go back there. And I just remember there is an item up here. It's behind this thing. Yeah, so I'm getting like all these items now. I think max inventory for Regina's 10 to 12 slots, okay. And I can exit through here, right? Yeah. Because I think there's an inventory in the lab. I think this is automatic, okay. Worst case scenario, I just leave. There's an item over here. I think it was in this room. Yep. I got two, okay. Actually, I think there's one more down here. I thought you were talking about the storage unlock. Am I dead? What was that? Do I have to like shake to stand back up? I'm definitely like injured or something. No? Yeah, but not injured. And there's one more thing over here. Yep. Okay, well, I'm gonna heal myself with that, if anything. Okay, I'm fine with that. Come on. Okay, I'm still fine. I'll take it. Okay, and then we have... Do we have more storage space now? I now have to run past like the dinosaur in that one room. The thing is, does he get knocked down? I think he gets knocked down after a while. So maybe I'll try to do that, because I don't see myself coming back here for any reason. Yeah, let me see if I can go in here, wait for him to get knocked down, and try to run past him. There we go. Didn't get hit. And I have to come back here. I kind of forgot where the card reader was, but... might as well check in here really quick, and we could save. So I don't have to go back, just in case. I think maybe there's something here. Okay. Yep, there was something here. What is this? What does this do? Select the mix icon and sub-screen before use. I think there's one more item here. Okay, we're good. Mix. What kind of dart is this? Okay, hold on. So I want this. Which one is it? Yep, that's them. Nice, okay, so I got more of these. Okay, there we go, and item, and then sort. How can I sort? I can only sort like in the room or something. Okay, I think we're finally good to move on. I just got 5 darts. So I have to come back here. But I need to go to the place that has the elevator or whatever. Can't do anything. I want to get rid of the shotgun ammo.
What? Oh, I don't see any signs of Doc here.
I guess I have to go to a place where I could change the machine information. This is another save room, right? Okay, I could go in here because I can make a save point. I want to check over here really quick. So number 10. Okay, there's a dinosaur here, right? I could go in the toilet. Okay, so I have not been here. I don't need to wash my hands now. Okay, so I could go up there. What's up here? Have I been here? I have not been this way though. Before I go here, I need to check the other place right next door since I'm already there. Oh, no, I don't think I can go there though. I can't. But I could always rewind it if I have to. Because I think it'll tell me that I won't be able to. There you go. Oh, I used the ID card. Oh, perfect. Okay. Video simulation of the worldwide weapon positioning plan. These appear to The images from the scouting satellite. It clearly shows the hostile area weapons positioning. What's this place? What's this? Oh, plug. Give me that. Oh, another storage. You can store ammo and medical supplies in this emergency box. You need a plug to open this emergency box. Well, yeah, why not? Okay, perfect. So, let's get rid of... I want those. Recovery aid. Yep, you are official. Undo this. What does slag do? Bullets from a shotgun. Sort that out. Definitely don't need both of these. Maybe I should take the slag bullets. How much smoke? Okay, I think this is good. Nice, I got another storage. The computer screen indicates idle status. By the way, Claude, did you have a good Thanksgiving? I don't know if you answered it or not. I know you asked me, but... This terminal keeps track of the soldiers who are positioned in the facility. Oh, okay. I did nice, okay. Sheets are controlling the various tactical simulations. Programs, okay. Look at this, read these. What's this though? When an ID card is created, this device is used to input the identification data. Okay. Data file for an operation meeting? Will you read the file? Yep. Subject: reinforcement of ID management. Earlier in the week, there was a case in which someone used a terminal that rewrites the ID cards to gain unauthorized access. This person acquired the fingerprint data from the corpse of a staff member who had died in an accident. He forged the dead man's ID by using the fingerprint data and entered the laboratory area by way of elevator. The problem is that the fingerprint collecting device can acquire usable fingerprint data even from a corpse. Since we will be having an experiment today, there will be many outsiders visiting this facility. When creating the ID cards for the guests, keep a careful eye on the device. Okay, and what's this? Hello? Collect the inputs. Oh, this key, okay. Okay, nice. Good thing I checked this room and check if I was able to open it. Okay, I'll be right back, just give me a minute. Okay, nice. Good. Let's continue on. Okay, let's check what's over here. Bye-bye. Okay, am I able to come back up? And who is here? Where am I? So I'm not supposed to go there. I don't think I could do anything here, so I might just rewind it and go the other way. Was that like that before? Yeah. What's over here? And I'm cheating, but I'm gonna take advantage. Where does this room lead to? Where is that? Oh, okay. I don't think I'm supposed to do anything here. Where does this go, though? Oh, gotcha. Okay, I know where this is. This came from there. Don't have to go that way. That leads that side, yeah. Okay, hold on. That actually works out for me, so... Let me go back to... over here. Nice. Did you hear about Claire? Well, last time that I heard is when I told you that they're coming out with a DLC, or their plans of a possible free DLC. But I don't know if I heard anything recently. What award show was that? Because I think there's like the Joystick Awards. I think that's what it's called. And that... I could push this? I already did. Okay. Yeah, I saw that they kind of swept that. But there's like another award show, right? Coming up. So nothing there. Can I go in here now? Okay, so I can't do that yet. Yeah, the Major. Well, what's it called again? The name of the show? I don't think I can do anything with this yet, can I? Maybe I can. Wait, I think I have to use a thing on him. Yeah, okay, perfect. Fingerprint data has been collected. Yeah. That's why that guy's there. What's in my... Okay, can I sort that out? I'm fine with what I have now. The game works, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I saw Claire, like, won every award on that. This... Oh, that leads to the front, right? Yeah. Can I go in here? Yeah, I came from up there. I'll just double check this. What is this way? Oh, okay, no, this is the same place. Same place. And that's where he came from. This leads to that long hallway. Can't do anything there yet, so. Let's do that just in case. Yeah, nothing outside. I could check. I don't think I could go out there yet, though. Did you do any shopping today? There's a data stored in. Oh, interesting. Nah, okay. Because what I usually do is I go Christmas shopping during, you know, Black Friday. Oh, gotcha. But yeah, I just do my Christmas shopping on these during this time. And the only thing I buy is the game, or the stuff I know for sure is on sale. I go this way, right? Oh, Cyber Monday. Oh yeah, I could do that too, huh? Oh no. Cyber Monday's good. Yeah, let's look for that ID print. I remember there's like an ID print somewhere. Nice. Yeah, there's always going to be some good deals. There's some... The ones that I'm really cautious about are ones that are somewhat new. Items that are somewhat new, but if they've been out on stock for a while, then I'm pretty sure they're on sale. Anything in that office? Hold on. Oh, there's something here. I could check the office. But let me collect these. Oh! Good dodge. I don't think there's anything else there. Okay, nothing here. So I have to run and get the thing. Well, I tried to avoid him. Oh, he's there. Hold on, where am I supposed to go then? Let me just double check this. I don't think I have an activation key, right? I mean, I could double check. I don't think none of these work. The only thing I could think of is, I don't think I can go here yet. It's not from the other side, right? Map. Oh, this is the elevator, so this will be like a shortcut. So I'm not supposed to go here. So, okay, so I can't do anything upstairs. Good thing is I didn't waste any ammo. If the dinosaur could come out of here, then that'll be like pretty bad, but... Okay, I'm trying to think. So that leads to the hallway. That's okay. I've been to the second floor. Nothing on the second floor. The only thing I could think of is I have to be outside. First floor, going up there is outside. Going to the right leads to outside. Hold on, can I go there? Oh yeah, I can. That leads downstairs. I could go right there. Yeah, I think I have to go outside. Trying to think. Yeah, because that room is the lecture hall. That's the hallway, save room, bathroom. There's nothing in that. That's locker room. Basement 1 is where I was, right? Yeah, because the save room, I'd go upstairs. Okay, so the only thing I can think of right now is going outside. Because second floor I can't do anything, right? Second floor I can't do anything. First floor, it's only the elevator and elevator. Yeah, I think, let me go outside, so I think I have to go this way. Good thing is I have a heal and I have resuscitate, so. Did he not see me? Okay, I need to get his attention, so I'll waste the bullet. Oh, okay, actually, perfect timing. Yep. He sees me. I guess right when he... Nope, not yet. Because I remember there's a ID machine. Yeah, that leads to the bottom. Because outside... I think you get trouble back, if anything. Okay, I gotta run through these guys again. I think I hit a whole bunch of times here. The crack looks very deep. It's too dangerous to jump over. Oh, they're no longer here. Okay, where's that machine? I remember I passed by some sort of machine. What's over here? I could check over here. I haven't been here for a while. Plus I could rewind if I have to. Well, this sucks. I will rewind if I have to. But I don't think there's anything here. Okay, nothing here. Yeah. I don't want to redo all that, so... Okay, so I have to go downstairs. Yeah, I'm missing... Yeah, there's nothing over there. Okay, if I don't see it on the way here, or going down this path, then I have to check all the rooms again. Yeah, so nothing here, right? Oh, okay, hold on, that makes sense. So, I think I have to climb back up. Actually, no, yeah, I want to do that. I would rather have them in the other room, but... Okay, actually, yeah, let's go this way. I think I have to just travel back this way. What's over here? It's an elevator. Let me check the map. Okay, yeah. That's the only way I can think of. If it's not here, then... Huh, okay. Yeah, this is the other way. Okay, where's that machine? Was it in here? Oh, can I go this way? No, nothing. Is it here? Computer terminals to monitor and record the status of the large-scale devices set outside of the facility. It appears to be used to record status of the use of big elevators, as well as landing and departing instead of the helicopter. I don't think there's anything here. Okay, I'm probably just gonna rewind it, but... I don't think there's anything here. So it's definitely in one of the other rooms. Yeah, nothing here. Okay, so I have to go all the way. I have to go each room one by one then. Because you have to go back down. Right, Koa? Like, there was a machine that said they could alter the ID. I just have to find that machine again. Like, I'm on the right track, right? Like, am I heading in the right direction? Yes, okay. So I just have to find where I saw that. So it was in a room that I was in before. Let me just check. I'm in this room. It's two different rooms. Did I go in that room? Okay, where's the ID thing? I got the fingerprint of the person, though. Yeah, nothing up here. That just moves the crane. So nothing up here, so I have to clear each room one by one now. Also, do the monsters respawn? Or do they... Or is it just like after a certain amount of story progression, they respawn in places that I already took them out in? Map. I don't think he's in this one. What's in this room? That I recall, but then again I sleep them rather than kill them. Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. And this leads over here. Going up here leads me to the outside, right? Yep, not there. Okay, now thinking about it, I feel like I was in that room already with the machine. Oh my god, oh my gosh. Once I find the machine, I'll probably take an ad break. So I can't do this yet. Right, this needs an ID. So I've already been in... It has to be in the room with like the... Let's make a save point. I don't think it's here, right? I think it's a device, not a computer. And I don't think it'll be here, because this is where we were before. We'll make a save because it's been some time. Okay, we're on number 11. If I had to guess, it's in like one of those rooms. I can't do anything there. Map that goes to save room. Nothing there. They already been in that room. That's the toilet. That's the locker room. Okay, so climb up this because that's dinosaurs are on the other side of that thing. I think I have an idea where it is. And I might have to get rid of them. Hold on. Oh, that's right. It's over here. So it's this way. I think it's in this room. The thing is, I didn't interrupt them. If you set the line to hold, the phone will continue. Oh, why would I... Oh, is it here? This is it. Device that can rewrite the data of an ID card to staff. Assigned to first floor. Assigned to the first floor, second floor, and B1 floor have their ID. Data register in this terminal to write the data. You need an ID card. Okay, so this one, here it is. So initiating card data rewriting sequence. Enter the personnel registration number. When an ID card is created, this device is used to input the identification. Hold on. Okay. Do I have to do that again? He's over here. There you go. Now does it show? What am I missing? Okay. Is it in one of the documents? Because I feel like I have that. I have to look it up in the other stream if I. I have to go to my VOD page. Okay, where's... Okay. 57036. Let me try that. Five 7036. The registration number has been verified. Okay, good. I remember I had that written in the chat. Please enter the fingerprint data. You enter the fingerprint data? Yes. Accessing the requested data. The fingerprint data you entered does not match the personnel. Okay, now I have to find the right person. Oh my god. So I'm looking for the colonel. Okay. Yeah, nothing's in the lecture hall. Let me just check over there. Is there a body here? Okay, there is a body here. Oh, come on. What was that, dude? I'm not able... Okay, so this is not the body. Okay, not the body. Okay, so that's not the body. So don't have to worry about him. No body upstairs, right? Oh, I didn't mean to do that. No body upstairs. Okay, I'm gonna check this body outside. Because we were able to fingerprint this guy. But... oh, it's this guy. It has to be this guy, right? Okay, so if it's not this guy, and I try to rewrite it, I'm gonna take a ad break after trying this one. 57036. Oh, let me type that in. Yeah, this has to be it. Because the only other person I could think of is in the elevator. I'm assuming running will alert the dinosaurs, so... Okay, so it has to be this. Hopefully. I'm good. There you go. Section Physical Laboratory. ID researcher Mark Doyle. Will you write the card data? Yes. The card data has been rewritten. The card data may be overridden when facility personnel changes occurs. Okay, now what? So now I think I have to change it back. Let's see. Oh, okay. Okay, if this doesn't do it, then I might be stuck. I may have to ask if this doesn't work. But I think now I should have access to elevators. Okay, perfect. So let me rewind it. Okay, okay, I will be right back. I'll leave you guys with Regina for a bit. Regina and the security guard at the bottom. I'm gonna take an ad break. I'll be right back in 3 minutes. BRB. Okay, I'm back. Okay, let's continue on. Let me check my items real quick. No. Yeah, I'm fine with this. Okay, we can finally go down. So nothing there yet. Okay. Yeah, I think I have an extra spot for that. I know. That's okay. Oh, this is a map. Give me that. Map of the B1 floor is shown on the panel. Will you save the map data? Yes. You can view the map on the map screen. Nice. Okay, nice. We are good. Let's read this document. File titled Security Manual Volume 1. Will you read the file? Yes. DDK. The electronic lock system of this facility has been updated. A more intricate code system has been introduced, and the security level has been improved. You will need to be aware of the following information when entering the password. Number-based key decoding part 1. In a case where numbers are written instead of the letters in the key field, the numbers could represent the codes for the corresponding characters. Here is an example of the correspondence chart between the letters and the code numbers. Okay. Okay, so I guess we go here. L. Yes. So A. Oh, hold on. Okay, I have to type this out then. So C. Hello. C D. Oops. C D E F G H. Okay, so L. Oop. L. That goes all the way up to H. So L O. T. Lort. I don't know. Oh. Hold on. So CD. Starting from CD. Oh, I'm done. AB. Laboratory. Oh, you're good, dude. Stop doing double. Laboratory. There you go. The DDK lock has been unlocked. Nice. Let me check my items. So I need another disc E. Summer. I do have a map. So that's where I came from, right? Okay. Did he get hit? I can't tell. There we go. Library room. The category of the data stored is shown here, the weapons. Development project in this facility. Okay, I guess I have to walk around here. So I'm looking for a key chip. I may want to try to get rid of this guy. But he is sleeping, so I guess I could walk around while he's sleeping. Well, welcome back. When did you say your modem's gonna come in? Let's check over here. A terminal to manage the information of the key chips that are used to open data storage. You can input the data to a key chip and search your data storage from here. So I have to do this. Oh, the 30th. Okay, so like in a couple days. You got the handgun sights? Will inflict tremendous damage. Ooh. So equip this. There you go. And then equip the shotgun again. Yeah, screw this guy, dude. He's not dead, dude. Okay, pistol time. Okay, I am injured, but I can use my item now. Am I bleeding? No, I'm not. Okay. Oh, I am. Okay. Okay, perfect. So it's shown here. Third energy fundamental theory. Okay, that's the door to leave. Okay, so I definitely have to get a chip. Of course, face. Why am I facing the wrong? Understood. Okay. Let's rewind it. Before this room. That's so annoying. Okay. So let me see if I can run past these guys. Oh, storage. Yes. Oh, wow, okay. Put this back in here. Okay. Fine with that. Okay, now we're in the computer room. So I'm supposed to get something here. A terminal to operate the supercomputer. The power is not turned on. Yes. Okay. What's this? Supercomputer is installed on the wall. This computer is used to simulate the energy efficient to the third energy. The terminal is to operate the supercomputer. The power is not turned on. I want to read the document. File titled Security Manual Volume 2. Would you read it? To indicate the electronic lock system of this facility has been updated. A more intricate code system has been introduced, which improve the level of security. You'll need to be aware of the following information when entering password. Number-based key decoding part 2 in a case where numbers are written instead of the letters key. For example, if 2 is the key word, you should delete all the letters from the second row of code. In case where numbers are written instead of letters, in the key field, numbers will indicate the rows to be deleted. Okay, so it's like a new thing. Oh, what's this box? A specially shaped screwdriver that is used for computer maintenance. Okay. If you notice, it has a notice regarding the panel next to it. Warning, do not touch this panel unless the lock system malfunctions. Circuits inside this panel supply the electric power needed for the force release to up the lock. Okay. So the calculations done by the computer are displayed on the monitor. Okay. Can I go in this? Experimental area control program running. Auto lock status on. Yes. Enter the area number to be released. Okay, so I need to find a specific code. But I'm not sure what it's referring to. But maybe I have to go out this way. Oh, this is a save point? I'm on number 12 now. So the damage should be so there should be something. Oh, nice, okay. Okay, nice. So we got E. Does this go anywhere? That's locked. Set a key. Make sure to lock the door by the computer during experiments. I'll take that. Okay, I gotta remember this. Adding another gas to one with a poison level under 30 may neutralize the gas. Red gas neutralizes the poison, and green gas. Blue gas neutralizes the poison, orange gas. So blue, orange. Green gas neutralizes the poison, purple gas. Remember these rules when red, green, blue, orange, green, purple. Adding another gas. Okay. Red, green, blue, orange, green, purple. I can't read this on the... It's the same. Big screen where the image from a projector would be shown. Can't do anything there. Okay. Filing cabinets, minute books, and files may be stored inside. Okay, let me read this document. Looks like a researcher's journal. Will you read the journal? Yes. March. Third energy. It is the system that can produce infinite energy from the air. The completion of the system will signify the end of one of the society's greatest problems. It is true that the system was initially developed for military use. We took part in the project because there is a silver lining in it for our future, but something's terribly wrong. The military has been giving us excessively favorable treatment for the simple development of a fundamental energy system. I must discover the true purpose of this project before irreparable harm is done. What on earth is the kid planning to do? April. I haven't found any clues in the past month. He's indeed a genius. He seems to have noticed our secret investigation activities. I heard that he established a secret lab on this floor somewhere. The only way to learn of this true intention will be to find that lab. July. At long last, Mike has found a clue pertaining to the location of the secret laboratory. He said he hid the clue in our secret place inside the library room. Kirk has been meeting frequently with Colonel Clay, the leader of the project, in the computer room lately. What are they up to? So third energy. Yeah, hold on, be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, let's check on this thing. This computer terminal Controls the condition of the experiment room remotely. Something is shown on the display. Lock code 7248. Okay. So I have to run past these guys. Actually, let's get rid of these guys. Sure. Okay. Maybe I can get rid of these guys. Should be dead. Yeah. Can I fix this? Oh yeah, at least I could go back and forth here. Was it 7248? Oh no, it's in the save room. I believe. Oh. Okay. Sound 248. Just remember that. It's here, right? Number has been confirmed. The gas experiment room lock has been released. Okay, perfect. Now I go in that room. Sure. Oh my god, I thought I heard the dinosaur. I'm like, no. Like, come on. So green, red, blue, orange. Where's the orange blue? Let me double check this. Oh, red, green, blue, orange, green, purple. This computer terminal controls conditions. Okay, so it should be open then. Nice. Stop researching biochemical warfare. Where am I? Okay, so this is just one single room. Okay, so I have that. Okay, so someone's in there. Power distribution panel for the exploring devices. A gas detector is also equipped. That's for a gas mixing experiment. The lethal poison level of the gas for humans is 85 or greater. The closer the color of gas becomes to the color of the three basic colors, red, blue, green, the more poisonous the gas becomes if the color becomes transparent through. Mixing the toxins have been neutralized. Gotcha, okay. Gas walls of experiment. 3 different types of gas can be mixed. So, red, green, blue, orange. Okay, I have to type this down. Hold on. Green takes care of purple. Purple is that. Hold on, let me just double check. Okay. So I don't have to worry about that. I guess I just talk to this guy. There are 3 buttons. They are used to supply the gas to the gas chamber. Which button you press? Cancel. I don't have to press anything. Can I talk to him now? The chamber is filled with poisonous gas and the door has been automatically locked. Okay, so I have to do this. So it's yellow. So I don't press anything, right? Okay. Red beats green. Blue beats orange. Green beats purple. So let's go blue, I guess. Which button will you press? So now it's blue. Right? Okay, now it's purple. Green beats purple. Red beats green. I don't get it. What? Oh, he's dead. There we go. I don't know, it wasn't like that before. I just killed him. I don't know if I was supposed to do that, but so Carl, what happens when you kill that guy? If you accidentally kill him? Do you get like a unique cutscene or something? What's up, dude?
Gonna be okay. What happened?
That fool.
Who are you talking about?
What are you planning, Kirk?
I'm here with the rescue team. Where is Dr. Kirk?
Here. This will give you access to his personal lab.
3695. The numbers are 3695 are written on this. You got the small size key. The words emergency case are carved into it. I still have this. Can I do this? No, I needed 5. Okay, now I'm curious. Let me rewind it a bit. I just want to see what happens. So what happens with this? I guess it's just game over? I'll wait for Koa to come back. I don't want to do all this again. So I think he dies no matter what. But I'm just curious what happens if you get it wrong by accident. Maybe we don't get the small key.
Gonna be okay. What happened?
That fool.
Who are you talking about?
What are you planning, Kirk?
I'm here with the rescue team. Where is Dr. Kirk?
Here. This will give you access to his personal lab.
2695, I wrote that down. And then I think might as well just get his finger ID. Might as well. Okay, he's gone. Excuse me. Okay, I don't know what to do. I could save. Nothing else in this toolbox, right? Tools for computer maintenance are inside. There's no open/close device on the slit of panel. The lid is fixed in place with screws. Oh, hold on. Will you remove the screws? Yes. I don't have to operate this right now. Okay, the screws are gone. Yeah, I think it's better if I go the other way. Plus, I'll save it. And then... Yep, definitely save. Can I save it? I think, yeah, it's here. I was on 14. Yeah, good thing I cleared this hallway. Let me check my items. Yeah, I think I should get rid of the pistol soon. But we'll see. I can't do anything with this, right? Oh, will you overwrite the key chip? Oh, interesting. Okay, another puzzle, so... There we go, that's it, right? Key information matched. Rewriting data. Complete. Data override complete. Data storage 3695. The indicator has been turned on. Ooh. Get the B1 key chip. 3695, okay. So one of these is lit up now. Okay. What does this do? The letter R is carved into the card. Oh, the letter R is carved into the card. Letter L, letter R. Is there anything else? The memo is in the data storage. Will you read the memo? Yeah, sure. Dear Paul, I finally found a clue. This is the key card that you need to enter his secret lab. The only chance to enter it is during tonight's experiment. Obtain the other key card without hesitation. The other key card is in the chief's room. I heard the secret code for the hidden safe are written on the panel keys. If you find out where the laboratory is, everything will be solved. I'll leave that to you. Good luck. Key card. The other key card is in the chief's room. I heard the secret code for the hidden safe are written in the panel keys. And if you find out where the laboratory is, everything will be solved. Okay. Okay, I guess let's go back. I just gotta run straight. There you go. I guess I have to go the long way. So I have to go back to... With the card you have now, you can go up to the first level. Okay, where else am I gonna go? Okay, let's look at the ammo. Get rid of 2 of these. I'll probably get these shotgun bullets. Okay, everything else seems fine with me. I'll have to go that way. So... Okay, this... Yeah, that's the way I'm supposed to go. Thing is, I do have the letter R in the... No, this is not where letter R is. I can take a quick look. Anything, you could just reset it back. I can't do anything there, so let's go back. And this is how we go back to... Ricky? I believe that's his name, Ricky. I think I've already been in the chief's office, so I think that's where I got the letter card key L. Yeah. Okay. Can I go in here? It seems this elevator cannot operate with the information on this ID card.
What? Oh, I don't see any signs of Doc here.
Okay, if it's not this, then the only place I could think of, because it, yeah. Is like in that big elevator. I can go in here and save it. So number 14. I don't think I could do anything. Because if it's not there, then I have to change the ID, but how do I change the ID? Nope, I don't want to go up. Yeah, this is the only thing you could think of. The letters that I have. Right? Who's this guy again? I don't know. This is the only thing I could think of because I remember the letter R. The letter R was on this like elevator. If I could go in here, then that'd be good. If not, then I'm not sure what I have to do. Something with a screwdriver. Yeah, the only thing I think of is that doesn't lead anywhere. How far can I rewind? Let's go here. Okay, and the only thing I think of is going back to antenna room. Either that or I have to rewrite another key card. Yeah, the screwdriver, I guess. No, but I use a screwdriver. So it has to be like a key card thing then. Okay, right now I'm just gonna look for possible areas I'm supposed to go. Let's have to go into the chief's room. I could go into the chief's room. Let me do that. I think the chief's room's over here, right? Come on, baby. Come here. Did you get hit by another? Oh, thank you. This is the chief's room, right? Oh, that's a strategy room. I don't know. I have to do something in here. Okay, the only thing I could think of is going up here, checking if I could do anything with the antenna room. If not, then it's definitely in the other previous rooms. Yeah. Because I'm kind of lost right now. Oh, I don't have the screwdriver. Excuse me. Okay, so it's not here. I'm just gonna be looking around because I don't think there's anything here, right? Nope. Okay. I feel like I have to change IDs somehow. Okay, I'll be right back. I'll do a pre-roll ad break. BRB. Trying to think. While everyone's on ads. And I don't think I can go out here. I think I already checked this, but let me just double check. I feel like that's where we have to escape. Okay, we should be back. Take this off. And so nothing on the second floor. I can't do anything on the second floor. You can't do anything in those rooms. I mean, hold on. I guess I could double check. I could double check in here. Locker room's nothing. Nothing. So nothing in there. I feel like I have to use a fingerprint again. That just leads down there, and there's nothing down there. Is there something in that room? Might as well check it. Yeah, nothing's in here, right? And I don't think I could use it on this guy, can I? Let me check. No, I can. Right now I have the other scientist. I'm trying to think. What's in that one room? So nothing's there. What's in here? Oh, it's generator. I don't have to get this way. I feel like I have to do a fingerprint. If not, then it's somewhere in this room. But then I have no idea what to do. Is there anything? It looks like an emergency hatch. It cannot be opened from this end. I'm trying to think. I don't know. No, that just activates that. Anything in this room? Where does this lead? What's that place? No, I can't do that. Doesn't even give me a destination. Okay, I'm pretty much lost right now. I have to check every room. That's what I gotta do. Because what items do I have? I have keycard left, keycard right. A keycard that can unlock an electronic lock. So I have to look for a lock then. No, I don't think it's this. Yeah, I could try. So a lock? Everything's open. The only thing I do is like check the elevator, so I checked this elevator. Facility outdoors. What am I missing? Okay, I think I'm stuck. I'm just gonna be like roaming around for like 30 minutes doing nothing, but it just needs a save room. Okay, I'm just gonna play for 30 more minutes. If I don't get any progress, I don't get any progress, you know? Maybe here on the screen. That's the only thing I do. So I can make a save here. We could do like save whatever, but who's this person? Yeah, that's the only thing I think of. Oh, is this something? I'm not sure what to do. Do I have to find something? I have to find either number 15. Because I think... Okay, I have save points, so no matter what. So yeah, nothing here. So nothing in these two rooms. I mean, I'll double check again. I don't know, go to sleep. Okay, or just get shot. And this is just a toilet, so it's like nothing here. Yeah, right now I'm just exploring these rooms because nothing else I could think of. I have to look for a computer, I guess. It's either I look for a computer or I have to use the ID changing thing. These appear to be images from... Nope, not that. That's maybe here. I mean, I could just check. I don't know what the small box is for. What's this? I don't have a small key. I don't know what the small key is for. So nothing on this desk I could do, right? Yeah, so nothing. Okay, so let's go back. Yeah, but I'm gonna give myself 30 minutes to see if I could get some sort of progress. If not, then it'll be a good time to end. So I can't do anything here. I don't think there's anything in that room, right? That leads me over here in the hallway. The hallway has those rooms. I could check over there really quick. Because I could just rewind it when... Yeah, can't do anything there. Might as well just check this out. Because the only thing I have is like The 2 cards and the key. He doesn't notice me, okay. It's the only thing I have. Just get rid of this guy. That's annoying. That should be it, right? Yeah. Nope, these are just lockers. Oh, these suck. See, that's the ID changer. Doesn't matter. Okay, so ID changer. The cell phone extension covers the whole facility. Do you want to page it? See, I have no idea what that does. I don't think there's anything here. Oops, map. So I came from there. That's an elevator. Yeah, I'm pretty much stuck right now. Switch to the... Oh, that's another, okay. There's only one here? Okay. Oh, okay, so I separated the 2 dinosaurs. I don't think there's anything here. Nothing here. No reason to go down this pathway. What am I missing? Do I have to go outside? No, I've been everywhere. Maybe it's something in here. I don't know if the pager has to do something. Okay. I do have an idea though. It's the only thing I could think of right now, honestly, so... It's the only thing I think of. There's already a dinosaur in here. Okay, so it says there's no need to operate this anymore. Oh, I could save? Oh, interesting, okay. I guess I could try to do that and try to leave. I could try to do that. Because that's the only thing I haven't done. So I can't do anything with that. This is the only thing I could think of. Oh, thank you, thank you. I could just go in here. Okay. I can't think of anything right now, but might as well do this. Okay, how come it doesn't show? Okay, yeah. Can't think of anything. He is wearing white, possibly a researcher. He has stopped the beaming. Okay, so that was just to help me find him to access the elevator. I am confused. Okay, no, so I can't go up. It's only first floor. Nice, nice. Okay, has to be. Has to be down here then. Yeah, all I have to do is just run past these guys, and then I should be fine. Nice, nice. I am just trying to find out what to do. Let me go into this room first. Because I don't know if they can bust through those doors. Of course, dude. Why is there a dinosaur here? You don't have to okay, I don't have to operate that anymore. What am I supposed to do? This is the research room meeting. And this is the gas chamber. I did. I already did this. Why are you back alive, dude? Let me just get rid of this guy. I already visited this guy. Yeah, nothing in here. I don't think I could do anything with this, right? You already did that. Oh no, that's the wrong room. Yeah, so it's not the ID because it doesn't even give me the option to change the ID. What is this? Oh, this is a save room. I don't know, we'll check. What is this? I don't have to operate this right now. So I do have to come back to this. I don't know, might as well just double check it. What's this? Oh, is it this? Oh my god, dude, really? Okay, finally.
Regina?
I finally made it to the entrance of the doctor's lab.
Good work.
The door looks like it needs 2 people working in tandem to unlock it.
I finally found some progress.
So, what's our status?
Here, take this.
Ready? Okay, on 3. 1, 2.
I don't know if I'm supposed to do
Three.
anything. Okay, finally some progress. Thank you.
You're all clear. Let's go.
He is paying attention to his surroundings. How come you don't take care of any of the dinosaurs in here, huh? Huh? Okay.
Let's go.
It has been knocked with the digital... Okay. Which one is it? So I do have it. Okay, I do have E. Shoot, I forgot what the document said. The code and the key. It was in the other room. Yeah, the good thing is I could just I think it's over here. Oh no, this way. Yeah. I could always just travel back. I just want to read the documents and then I'll rewind back to here. Come on, can I get something from here? Do I have any? I do have slack bullets, okay. So let me do this. I go sort and then put this back. Okay, come on. I need both of you guys at the same time. Let me read what this says. A memo is in data storage. Will you read the memo? Yes. Dear Paul, I finally found the clue. This is the key card that you need to enter Secret Lab. Okay. The other key card is in the chief's room. Yep. No, this is not the memo. That's not the memo. I forgot where I read that memo. Where did I read that memo from? I don't think it's here. Is it this? Oh yeah, this is it. Okay. The electronic lock system of this facility has been updated. Okay, number-based key decoding. In a case where numbers are written instead of letters in the key field, the numbers could indicate the rows to be deleted. For example, if 2 is in the keyword, you should delete all of the letters from the second row of the code. Oh, I think I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3. is this puzzle? Oops. Okay, maybe that will work. Let me try putting it down. I'm just counting. I'm using it to count. Okay, so no, that's not it. Key. The third. Let me. Not really. Hold on, let me see. Guess it's different now. Oops. So number base key decoding. In a case where numbers are written instead of letters in the key field. Right, the key field. Let me just double check. Key field is there. So everything's missing except 6 and 8. 6 and 8 are not there. What does that mean? In case where numbers are written instead of the letters in the key field, the numbers could indicate the rows to be deleted. For example, if 2 is in the keyword, you should delete all the letters from the second row of the code. Hold on. 1, 2. Is it just energy? No. It's just energy. Okay. I kind of don't understand the method. Can I... So I know... Okay, it's definitely energy. Like, I knew the thing was energy, but I don't know how it came up to it. So can you explain to me what they meant? Yeah, I reminded it. There are 1 to 0. Yeah, 1 through 0, right? And 6 and 8 are missing. I thought it wanted me to spell out the third energy. But if it's not third energy, then... One, two, three, four. Yeah. So all the letters in those rows are unused. Okay, it might be slow. Right? Because when it says yes, so all the letters in those rows are unused. So the password is from row 6, 8, and 0. I guess I'm getting confused is because I think, is it rows this way from left to right? So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. And like from up and down, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the columns are left to right. So first column, second column, third column, fourth column. Yeah, one row is a top to bottom, yes. So you said there are, yeah, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9 are the keys. So all the letters in those rows are unused. But there's only 4 rows. That's what I'm kind of confused about. So he keeps going back and forth. I don't know how to stop that. And that is what I'm kind of confused about. Yeah, this is the first row. The first row, so just to confirm if we're understanding each other, the game is backwards. Also, when it talks about rows, it's talking about like first row is TTBH, second row contains HHAI. Okay, gotcha. Okay, so that's what I thought. So I did the other way. Right, so I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, I guess. Yeah, so that's the only way that made sense. So I did it that way. So I did the 6th row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? E. How come the R doesn't count? Because so I do it this way. I have ER. Oh, is it from left to right? Yeah, because I'm reading from left to right. So all those don't count, right? So that's how I'm like, okay, E. This is how I saw it, left to right, row by row, and you have to use the letters in order. Yeah, so because if I'm doing it this way, like row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or 0, then I will do E, then R, because it goes right here. E, then R, right? Then row 8 is NG. And then EY. That's how I interpret that clue. But like, I was like, okay, that spells energy, but it's mixed up. But do you understand like the way I'm thinking? Because I like reading what the clue said, row 6, everything that's not here is not used. So like row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, all not used. So I have to go to row 6. Right? And then I read left to right. That's how I use all these rows. Then I read left to right. But since we are switching it up, I have to read from up to down. That's how I see it. Because if it says rows, right? And let's just say 1 is missing, then how I type the password is THE. Let's just say rows 1 and 2 are missing. I'll start typing in the password as THE THIRD. That's how I'll start typing out the password. But since it's mixed up and switch it around and I have to go by columns, then I'm reading it from up to down. So if it's like row 1 and 2 are missing, since it's like switched around, I'll read it as TTBH, then I'll type in HHAI. But I guess I just do you understand what I'm saying? How I got confused on the wording of the information on how to solve this problem. I mean, based on the other. Yes, I know your logic is okay. Because based on like the other passwords, it's like pretty simple. The passwords are spelling out a specific word, like laboratory. I forgot what the other one was, but because everything is switched. How like you change rows are now columns and columns are now rows. I'm reading it a different way, but I'm mixing it up because how the game that says rows is really columns, so I'm switching up how I read it. Oh, I misspelled it. Yeah, because the game's telling me rows and I read left to right. So I'm reading it rows left to right. But if it's switched around and like rows are now columns are now rows, then I'm gonna switch how I read it, go up and down. But column 6 is not ER. Oh yeah, column 6 is ER. Like I'm reading it, because if it's rows, I read left to right. But because they have it flipped, I'm reading it up to down. Like I know if it says rows, I know I'm not reading it up and down, but because I'm switching everything around, I'm reading it up to down. Yeah, so that's I'm switching everything because the game is telling me, but the game's logic made me switch it around. Like I normally wouldn't do that. If the game didn't mix up its columns and rows, I'll read it from left to right. Yeah. But just because the game, I'm trying to read it on the game's logic, game logic. Like, yeah, there's no, like, in some games, there's like if the game you can fly, then you can fly in the game. But if I can't fly in the game, then I'm not gonna fly. I don't know how I'm saying it, but yeah, I read things left to right, but because it's switched around, how like rows are columns are rows, I feel like I have to switch the way I read it as well. Yeah, that makes sense. It makes sense, but I feel like I have to do it. Like if the game made a mistake with the rows, and I feel like I have to do it the other way as when I read it as well. Okay, let's continue on. That was a good little sidetrack. If you had to put a percentage on how we could go back to the beginning. All you needed to do was ignore the word rows. Yep. Because that didn't make sense. After I read rows and there's only 4 rows, I'm like, okay, I probably meant columns. If you had to put a percentage of how much of the game I've completed, what would you say the percentage is? Okay. Interesting. It came from up there. Yeah, so there's really nothing here. You can tranquilize with a single shot and the effects last for a long time. Yeah, keeping that. Okay, so I do like the... Let me check my... Yes, I just have the ID card and that thing. Yeah, do you know how much percent? You're almost done. Like I said, this is a game. It's super short. It's meant to be speed run for all the unlocks. Okay. If you had to guess how much longer I have, what would you say it is? These panels display / record the working conditions of the simulators. I'm at 80%, so how long do you think it'll take me to finish the last 20%? So there's a box somewhere. If you had to estimate how the pace I'm going at, and maybe if there's like another possible like place I could get stuck. In the computer used to analyze the research data, the locus of the energy efficient is shown by 3-dimensional graph. Would you say I'll be done with this game in an hour? I think you would get stuck on things I wouldn't expect. Well, you said I'm 80% done. Okay. So I think we could probably save it for next time. This seems pushable. By attaching it, the time lag for reloading is eliminated. Oh, shotgun. Okay, equip. There you go. Are you assuming like I get stuck as well? Because that is pretty smart of you. Yeah, okay, so I think this might be good. Yeah, okay. Is there stuckable places I could get lost to, I guess? Dr. Kurt's personal terminal. It is used to analyze data and can be used to release the emergency evacuation hatch. Okay, do anything here? Only the codes, I think. I think the codes make sense if they write the directions correctly. I feel like I have to go in that hatch. Possibly the power supply for the simulators. So I feel like we escaped this place through the helipad. Can I go in here? What's this? It's some kind of simulator. There are 3 switches on the panel. A, ignite the third energy circuits. B, set the initializer. Y, set the stabilizer. Which switch would you press? Nothing. It looks like a doctor's journal. Would you read the file? It is easy to unleash any kind of power. The real task is keeping the power under control. The improvement of the initializer ignition device has enhanced energy efficiency to the maximum. Despite that progress, we have been unable to advance the development of the stabilizer safety valve since the accident that happened 3 years ago. The third energy theory will surely alter human history drastically. But as long as there is an uncertain element regarding the control of the power, this power, even if it is only 0.1% of the probability, my work will be nothing but terrible failure. The restraining power of the stabilizer we used in tonight's experiment was insufficient. The area affected by the excess energy is estimated to be a radius of 3,300 feet. The results of tonight's experiment may please the military people in a sense. The giant creatures that emerged just after the experiment have given me much inspiration. The most important thing to do right now is to leave here safely. As soon as I finish analyzing the data, I'll evacuate via the bottom floor. So I think I have to get a code. Probably like there's might be a body downstairs or something. So you know how row 6 and E and R. Yeah. If it's that code again, I know how to read it.
He's not here.
Why?
Oh,
This operation is taking way too long already.
Warning.
you know what? Let me check this. I want to, because it starts a cutscene. So can I go in here? An evacuation hatch for emergencies. It's surely sealed by several electronic locks. Okay, can't do anything. But he says on the basement, it looks like. I'll evacuate via the bottom floor. How far am I on now? I am in the bottom floor. Okay, let's see this cutscene and probably call it. Yeah.
He's not here.
I should be done soon, so
Why?
you could let me know in a bit.
This operation is taking way too long already.
Warning. The emergency system has been activated. Emergency lockdown in progress.
What's going on?
Oh, Kirk must have tripped off the security system. That fool.
What's your status, Regina? I'm reading an emergency lockdown in your section.
We're trapped inside here. Kirk must have triggered it off. We didn't touch anything.
Can you clear it?
I'll see what I can do.
What's wrong with this thing?
Cool it, Gale. We'll find a way out somehow.
Oh, this thing. Will you operate the circuit panel? Sure. Oh, so it's like a puzzle. Okay, so this one... So this is not the first one. So this... So it has to be this then. So this, I guess? No. Nope. This is fine. This... Oh, interesting, okay. Oh, where is it? Is it this one? It's the only one that makes sense. So that means this has to be in the corner. What else could go there? Is it backwards? Maybe I should focus on that. This is definitely in the middle. So it's like this then? Interesting, okay. So I almost got it. Okay, so hold on. Back, back, back. Maybe put this down first. Maybe the order matters. The order has to matter. When was the last time I saved? I think it was before I went into that room, right? Okay, that sucks. So I got these two. These two were... Okay, so it's definitely a different... Okay, there we go. Yeah, it's just a different order. Jeez.
Warning. The emergency lockdown has been bypassed. You have
Nice.
10 minutes until this section is sealed off.
We'd better get moving. We've bypassed the door lock and we're on our way out.
That's great. But the entire underground area is crawling with dinosaurs. You'll never be able to make it through there.
Don't sweat it. I'll take them all out one by one if I have to.
Brilliant plan, fearless leader, but I have a better one. These readouts tell me there's an emergency escape hatch in the dock's private quarters. You should be able to make a clean break through there.
Are you sure?
Yeah, but there's one problem. The hatch is password locked through the mother system.
Forget it. If you can't crack the code before the dinosaurs rush in, we'll be completely trapped.
I know. You'll just have to trust me.
I don't.
Fine. What about you, Vegeta?
Make your choice.
What will you do? Choose the option you believe in. Gale strategy. Break through the area relying upon your skill. Cooperate with the Rick and escape through the hatch. Well, there's nothing to go back to, so... Oops, I forgot to save. Let me go back. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back here. I will save. Should I even know which one I'm on? I think I'm on number 1 now. Yeah, so we'll go to number 2. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to over here.
You have 10 minutes.
Is that a save point? It is, okay.
Until this section is sealed off.
Settings.
We'd
Okay,
better
we'll
get
call it
moving.
there.
We've bypassed the door lock and we're on our
Yeah, there's
way
no
out.
reason to fight through.
That's great.
There's really no reason
but the
to.
entire underground area is crawling with dinosaurs.
I can maybe
You'll
get some
never be able
ammo.
to make it through there.
Don't sweat it. I'll take them all out one by one if I have to.
Brilliant plan, fearless leader, but I have a better one. These
Okay, I did save it, so let me just test this out really quick. I don't know what game that is. But yeah, we'll call it there. So, did I do an ad break? I don't think I did. Oops. Oh. Let me just check if it's saved. Okay, I did save. Okay. Okay, so thanks everyone to stop by. I appreciate it. Colin, thanks for stopping by, helping me out. Did I save it? Yeah. Thank you for stopping by, helping me out. And anyone else that was looking at any time, I appreciate you guys too. Thank you for the bot that made the stream official. But yeah, we'll end it here. We'll finish this game tomorrow night. I think tomorrow afternoon. Yeah, tomorrow afternoon I'll play some Mario Odyssey. Post-game Mario Odyssey. And then tomorrow night is when we will finish this game. So, okay, yeah, so we'll end it there. And yeah, we'll finish this game tomorrow night. So I'll see you tomorrow night for this continuation of this game, or I'll see you in a minute and a half to do Wordle and connections. Okay, have a good night. Bye-bye.